May take a while, guys. Pull chain's very bad on this. Just hold on. I think I got medium speed. Hers is high. Nope. I think it's medium speed. Yep. Indeed it is. Sorry about that, guys. Pull chain has a very bad capacitor on this, so might take a few tries. Alright, so we'll try out high. Just put the camera down. Whoop. Yeah, this fan moves a lot of air. Yeah, these Stratford fans are very good. This is a Stratford 2. They're very good. And just like the other room, it's this switch that does the fan and this switch that does the light. Same with the other two bedrooms.